What is up, everyone? Hey, today we're gonna be talking about 3 reasons why you should not start an adult daycare center. And the reason why I'm saying this is because it's important if you're considering opening a business in senior care and specifically adult daycare. Have you thought about these things before? Number 1 is you're chasing the money. And like my boy Dre says, you may love the money, but the money may not love you. Yeah. I got it. Chasing down money. So the reality of it is that if your main focus is going into the adult daycare center with the intention that it's gonna make a ton of money, if that's the reason behind why you're doing it, or if you're looking at the business opportunity of the senior care industry because of the growth and the expansion of that demographic of people, and it's more of a monetary why, then just it's not gonna work. Because at the end of the day, this business is not just about money. Money obviously is an important component to life in general, but this is about making a difference in people's lives. This is about being passionate about the reason why you want to make a difference in the lives of our seniors. And so you really have to ask yourself, why are you doing this? Why are you wanting to pursue this venture? And if that why is because it has something to do with the people and not the money, because you're passionate about making the difference and not about the ROI or the profits, those will come. They're a byproduct of taking care of people well. If you take care of people well, if you make a difference in their lives, if you make them and their families happy, and you do right, then you will be successful. It's that easy. The profits is a byproduct of taking care of people the right way. Also, number 2, being anti-people, anti-social, just not liking people. If you don't like people, if you don't like seniors, if you don't like, being around a team, if you don't like managing or leading a group of individuals, if you don't like, if you're that antisocial, if you're that anti-people, if you don't know what it means to create experiences which make people happy, then this is not gonna be the business for you. Because this is all about creating experiences to make people happy. Because the passion and the enjoyment that you get, that you love, is seeing other people smile, seeing them laugh, seeing them have fun. That is gotta be one of those other reasons why. So if you're not into that, if that doesn't do it for you, then this ain't the business for you. Number 3, empathize, not sympathize. It's very important that, as you're taking care of people, because that's what we do in adult daycare, is we're taking care of people, and that's what our service really is. We're not only just taking care of the person that is coming to the center, the senior themselves, we're taking care of their family. One of the biggest reasons why we are even here as a service is we're trying to solve the problem for the family. Not necessarily for the senior, but the senior is the one that is coming to us. That's the person that we're focusing on during the daytime to make sure they're having fun, that they're happy, that they're laughing, they're smiling. But it's their family member that's the one that's suffering, that's going through a difficult time. Being able to relate to what they're going through, understanding what that might be like. Having a mom or a dad or a spouse that's 100% reliant on you 24/7, that person that they used to be may not be the person that they are today. Just being able to understand in an empathetic way, where when you approach them, when you hear their frustration and you hear their concern and the fatigue from being burned out as a family caregiver, that you're not I'm sorry you're going through this, but you're understanding. You're look, I cannot even imagine, but I want you to know that that's why we're here, is to try to help kind of relieve that burden for you. And we all get it. We've been a part of this journey, with hundreds, with thousands of families. We get what those families are going through, and we want you to know that we're here with you. Whether you just want us to give you a hug, or whether you want us to help you find some solutions, we're just here to help you wherever you are right now. And just know that you can call us anytime, even if you just want to vent and just let that frustration out. And in that moment, what you're doing is you're building trust. You're building a sense of understanding, that they don't feel alone anymore, because they feel like they have someone that understands what they're going through, and now you become an ally. So these are 3 qualities that are so important when you're thinking about opening up your adult daycare, because it's a very, very we're talking about people's lives. We're talking about families. We're talking about emotions. We're talking about feelings. Like so much of what we do on a daily basis, we're not selling a widget or a product. We are selling people an experience. And we want to make sure that we're giving our seniors the experience of their lifetime, and we're giving families that experience that makes them feel good because they have peace of mind knowing their loved one is in a safe place and having fun and enjoying their lives. So make sure that when you're asking yourself, am I ready? Do I want to start my own adult daycare? Do I want to start my own business in senior care? Make sure you ask yourself this question. If you can answer these, if you're passionate if passion over money is important, if you like people and you're empathetic, you are going to make a great adult daycare owner or senior care business owner. And I cannot wait to see you and cheer you along the way. So thank you guys so much for joining me on the #1 channel for senior care entrepreneurs. We love you guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you go to chrischanna.com to learn more, to get involved. We'd love to help you out along your journey. We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.